Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable chat, start video calls and create chat groups directly from your Gmail, all in a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, open your Gmail and head over to the top right corner. Click on the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. From the drop down that appears, choose See All Settings. This will take you to the full Gmail settings page. Next, look for the tab labeled Chat and Meet. Click on it, and once it loads, focus on the chat section. Here, select Google Chat to activate chat features inside Gmail. Once that's done, scroll down and click Save Changes at the bottom. Your Gmail will refresh and the chat options will now appear in your sidebar. To start chatting, go to the sidebar and click the chat icon. Then click New Chat and a search box will appear. Type in the email address of that person you want to message, then click Start Chat to open a chat window. Inside this chat, you'll see a small video camera icon. This is the button for video calls. Click to call that person instantly. Once they answer, your video conversation begins. And if you want to chat with multiple people, you can create a group chat by clicking Start Group Conversation, then adding several contacts. And that's it. You are now ready to chat, call and stay connected, all from your Gmail inbox. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.